Hi guys, just Mrs. Z checking in with Wednesday's assignment. This will be something that you'll do each week. Some of you have already done it, and I've already seen those, and they look really good. So I just wanted to make sure you knew where to find the information and where the link was. So just want to walk you through that really quickly. And some of you have emailed me and let me know, hey, I don't have a book. I can't find something. You can use a nonfiction or a fiction article that you find online. That can be something that you use. It can be a book that you read before that you're rereading. I am going to tonight and for the rest of the trimester start reading you a book. So I'll have that logged in there. And I'm also going to attach a few short stories that none of those are mandatory, but they're options for you if you need some reading material. Okay. So what I want to walk you through today is just the reading response form, what that looks like, how you get a grade on it. I'm going to leave those open through April 12th, which is Sunday. That does not mean that you have to work on the weekend. If you get it done before the week, you're done and you don't have to worry about it. But I just wanted to give you an extra time in case you wanted to read a little more before you had to start writing. You can find the assignment over here in upcoming stuff, or you can find it under your materials. It'll be linked here with the update on Wednesday. So you'll be able to find it in those three places. The reading response form is really just the Google form that you're going to click right here. And it's going to ask you your name, Ms. Carlson or Ms. Dabrowski, your hour, fiction, nonfiction, the title of the book you're reading. And then there's reading prompts. And then you're going to write 5 to 8 complete sentences that support your answer. So the reading prompts is the other thing that you're going to need to find. And if you click under materials, and I'll include this each week, it'll be under independent reading response 2. It'll be all kind of linked in there. It's just, you can also find it in last week's. So we'll kind of keep attaching those. But once a week, you're going to respond, and it says a list of responses. It's going to be included in there. It's also on the WAG if you need it. But if you need something to help you think about what to write, these are the reading response options. There's fiction, and then if you keep scrolling down, there are some for nonfiction. If you have something that you want to write about, 5 to 8 sentences, you don't have to use the prompt. But if you're struggling each week, some of them are things that we've done before, like predict what will happen in your book. Some of those are, could your story take place in a different setting? How is your setting different or similar to something else? Who's the antagonist, which is the bad guy? Explain that. How did the main character grow or change? So if you're at the end of your book, things like that. Are there hints throughout the story that the author gives you? If you're looking at nonfiction, you can talk about one main idea. How's the text put together? We've looked at text structures, compare and contrast, problem and solution, things like that. You can also look at features, graphs, map timelines. How did those help? What did you like? Things like that. It's pretty wide open. These prompts are just to help you. They're not mandatory. They're just a suggestion. So when you go in to submit, you're just going to do the reading prompt number 2, even though for this class it's our first one. We didn't do it the first week because we had some troubles with kids logging in and all that. So I just moved it back a week. So reading response number 2 is the one you're going to do. You'll fill it out like a Google form. It's not due until Sunday, so you have a little bit of time. If you have any questions about it, shoot me an email. Over the next couple days, I'll keep adding some books that I'm going to read. I'll add a link to some free Audible books, and I'm going to put some short stories online for you. All right? Have a great day.